Hello everybody, Matthias here, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Instagram not showing active now, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what we are going to do first is to go into our Instagram app, and now when you're on your Instagram app, then what we are going to do first is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So I'm going to click on the three lines, and in here we need to click where it says settings. Perfectly, in here we actually need to click where it says privacy, so click on privacy. Great, and here we need to scroll down until we can see where it says activity status, so click on activity status and make sure that you actually have where it says show activity status, that you actually have this one enabled. And this is exactly how to fix this issue, so let me know in the comments below if you have any questions and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.